Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Anastasia. This is a YouTube channel about fashion and style, but today's video is about home. As you can see, guys, of like background, it's my home. I just came from Berlin Fashion Week, as you could have seen in the previous videos from Berlin Fashion Week. If you haven't, I'll leave the link here so that you can go and check that out. And today I would like to talk about how to have your space at home cozy, clean. And I would like to talk to you about a home appliance brand called Levoit. This is a new brand for me, and I was given the items of this brand to try and test, and I liked it, so that's why I've decided to share it with you in this video. A few things about Levoit company. It was founded in 2017. It's a women-owned brand in California. You can order the items worldwide. If you're living in Germany or anywhere in Europe, US, any country basically, they have international deliveries, so you can get it for yourself. And today I would like to focus on two items that I had the pleasure to test. The first one is a vacuum cleaner. It's a really cool one because it doesn't have any cord. You can easily walk in your flat. The battery is enough for 40 minutes, so it's quite enough to vacuum entire apartment. And another feature of this vacuum is that it helps you in case you have pets and if you have any allergies. Because of the way the vacuum works, it removes all the allergens, so you wouldn't have any allergy after using the vacuum. It cleans really very well. So guys, let's have a look at this vacuum cleaner in action. Levoit battery vacuum cleaner with mini turbo brush and two HEPA filters for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Smart 4-in-1 cordless battery vacuum cleaner with automatic mode. Flexible battery vacuum cleaner and maximum 40 minutes running time. Okay guys, and the second item I would like to talk to you about is a tower fan. This fan I tested and I loved it, and I got it for my apartment because we also don't have any air conditioning installation, and a tower fan is an excellent solution in case you don't want or you cannot have an air con and you would like to clean air in your apartment. It has a sleeping mode, so in case you have a baby or you yourself are super sensitive to noises, you can have it super quiet. But the tower fan itself is actually very quiet. I've been using it and I got really surprised. I couldn't hear any noise. Fan with remote control, 90-degree tower fan that rotates and can blow in different directions. It has 4 modes, 5 speeds, and a 12-hour timer. This tower fan has cooling feature, so it can be cooling air in case you live in a hot climate and again you don't have aircon. This is actually why I got it for myself. Overall, I find Levoit a really high quality brand, very stylish also, by the way, because I'm so much into style, guys, how I am. And that's it, guys. I'll leave the links down in the description box below this video so that you can go and check it out for yourself and see. Maybe you get something. They have a lot of other products, and maybe something else is needed for your comfort at home, right? And for me, these two items just perfection. Again, because I have cats, I have 2 Bengals, and my husband is very allergic to animals' hair, so this vacuum cleaner is just perfect solution for us. Plus, the flat is super big. Instead of having the cord, and suffering with this like plug and plug, we can just 40 minutes vacuum entire apartment. Super easy. It's a lightweight and it's really rolling, really smooth. And the tower fan again, because it's an old building, here we don't have any pre-installation for air con, and this tower fan was like a brilliant solution for us. The last phrase I would like to say about Levoit that there are so many products centered around home, and Levoit is the brand that is centered around you. Guys, thank you for watching this video. This was a paid advertorial of Levoit brand, and I honestly love the brand, otherwise I wouldn't advertise this to you. This is up to you to decide whether or not you need these items. I truly believe that one or two items could find a special place at your home. Don't forget to hit notification bell, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye, guys.